in this Excel workbook, I want to split the full names into first name and surname. There's various ways I could do this. I could use the text to columns option, or I could use a formula, but I want to show you a quick and easy alternative called flash fill. First of all, I need to establish the pattern so that Excel knows what to do. So I'm going to click where I want the first name to go, and for the first one I'm just going to type it in. Likewise for the surname, and then it will know what to do. So I've clicked where I want the next first name to go. Either from the data tab on the ribbon I can click on the flash fill button, or if like me you like keyboard shortcuts, the shortcut for this is CTRL E. So for the first name I'm going to use the button, so I've clicked where I want the first name to go, click on the flash fill button, and it will give me all the other first names. For the surname I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut, so click where I want the surname to go, CTRL E on the keyboard gives me the surnames.